Hey darling, what's my job for today?
Oh, the vacuum's not really going. Could you clean this filter?
Okay.
I keep trying.
Let me think about that, and I guess I have an idea.
That's really dirty. It's not going away from tapping it out like you're meant to. And many people have this type of compact vacuum cleaner. It has a paper filter and it's $15 to replace this tiny thing, and it's not washable. We found a solution.
Hello everyone. Maybe you're having the same problem. This is a filter from our vacuum cleaner. It's a Roibo. And after a while cleaning our caravan, it looks like that. And a new piece, $15. And Rose was wondering if there's a possibility to clean it. And I thought, my God, I have from our old car this air filter cleaner from K&N. I mean, I didn't put it here just for that purpose, but we had it and the whole bottle is still full. And I thought I would give it a try and see if it is working. So basically, just you need to spray it. So I will give it a good spray and it should dissolve any dirt and stuff like that. And it looks like it is doing that, dissolving all this dust grime. And it would save us $15. Rose was saying she was trying to wash them, but it doesn't make a huge difference. But it looks like it is doing the job. So I will keep it for a couple of seconds. Then I will give it a second spray. I will go now for a second rinse. So I have just cleaned it, or not flushed it with water, and now it looks like that. And it looks like it does a trick. And $15 save, or actually we had two, that's the other one, $30 saving.
I just wish, darling, was that the first one?
Yeah.
I wish you'd shown the before for that one. It was so black.
Yeah.
It was really, really much dirtier
Okay.
than the other one.
Maybe if this one I will put a little bit more in, because it is still red dust on it. But yeah, does a trick. We'll go for a second round, because the red dust here from this Australian desert, it's really annoying and sitting like shit. The second round did the trick, and now it looks good. It doesn't look like brand new, but it looks like it is usable. So each piece $15. Number two, $30. Saving. Just saving.